Hi, I am Master Trainer Claire Rosenberg with Beauty Angels Academy. Here I have the new Advanced Course Kit. We have Angel Care Gel, which is our aftercare for our clients. We have our pigments, which is actually pretty cool because in this kit you will get the Latina collection, light, medium, and dark. We have aftercare wipes that goes along with this aftercare gel. We have 3 boxes of disposable tools, different types. And here is what they look like. First time in the microblading industry, we want to introduce you the bullet. So you take this out and you have 2 different combination of blades. We have variety of different blades for shading, U blade, and then we also have flat C. And here we go here. And this is the disposable. We have eyebrow rulers, which is faster way of doing the brow shape. We still use the golden ratio tool. Here is the golden ratio compass. And we have the pencil set that you will use to make the shape. 1 brown and 1 black. And here we have our Advanced Course Latex. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next course.